So this room's almost finished, pretty much. Molding, so I gotta shut those lights off. Working on more moldings. We got a supply of wood to finish up the kids' villa. And so the kids' villa, this is our next project as soon as the closet is done. When that closet gets done, this is our next project. So I had them cleaning this place all day yesterday. It's a little tough to clean. So it still needs another coat of paint in here. But at least they cleaned up the glass. The doors are sealed up pretty good. We do have to get some spray going on in here. That's not good. So this is the setup here, guys. All right, so you got two full and two twins. Okay, so when you see this bed, this is like a queen, I think, or maybe it's a full. I don't know. But see this bed? Just push it all the way over to that wall, and then another bed like that, right here, and then there's a set of stairs in the middle with a platform. And then the twin beds are on top. So you'll have four beds in this room, 4 comfortable beds. I mean, you can sleep 2 people, 1 and 1. So it's 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 people very comfortably in here. And that's what all that wood out there is for. They're gonna start making this room. It should be good. We got all of our stuff in here. We gotta put in bigger bulbs here. It's just not enough light. We opted not to put a window here. We should have. That was a mistake. And then still working on the sink here. That's a work in progress as well. So this is an update. This is our update. So, fence is a really big job. My God, it's much bigger than I thought. All right? It's like a never-ending project. But we got to get it done. We have to push. So they've almost finished it. The only problem is the mountain workers left, and they really don't want to come back. And the reason they don't want to come back is because they're having arguments with one of my workers. And I'm not going to say which one, but needless to say, you're probably not going to have that worker here much longer because I need these guys to finish the fence. So you kind of have to be careful when you walk. I just saw a huge lizard. You gotta get rid of all this stuff. So you got two more posts here to do. And you still have to finish the tops of these posts aren't done. And the bamboo goes up. We'll have a good fence. It's good enough. And back here will be a concrete wall. This is all concrete. We do have some rambutan bushes here, but I don't know where they are. So here's a look at the property from way back here. It's nice. We got our chicken house. We got our little piggy here, enjoying a nap. I don't want to wake him up. He's so happy. Oh, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. So moving along. This was the bamboo we brought back from the mountains. Doesn't look like it made it. Certainly not going to make it now with them pouring cement all over it. So as you can see, our property is pretty big. And it requires a lot of work to get it all fenced in. But what I do realize is you do need a fence. Some of my earlier videos, when I first got here, I was commenting about people making these big walls. And I'm still not a fan of it. That's why I compromised. I'm not putting a huge wall up front, just a small fence. But here, you need some protection from your neighbors. What you guys doing? Relaxing?
Yeah.
You gonna go cockfighting today?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
later.
you can go in Mayana? No.
Yeah. You're gonna come?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you're gonna come take a ride with us?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can drink your Tendoi in the back of the truck. You can drink.
I'm not drunk because
You're just relaxing?
I'm drunk, but the strength here is not good
So what?
because you have I have 7 times to the motorbike he gives to him to crash because I'm drunk. It's okay, but you can make a motorbike just.
So these are all been painted and treated. These are all ready. These are all ready to go up. We need to clean. We need to finish cleaning up Emar's side. There's our 2 male bears. Look at they're eating the bugs in the bushes. It's like they're wild. They're like native chickens. All right. These came from our eggs. We would have had more, but somebody, whoever put the eggs in the incubator, put the screen in, that prevented the eggs from turning. So we only had 2 hatch. Well, this is a look at the working area. For what?
This one because I will need a fighting cat.
You have to talk to Lynn.
Yeah, this one.
No.
Yes.
I don't want to. No, you can't take my birds.
You can talk first, Marlon.
Yeah, she's gonna say no.
Because she's
She's the boss.
so fighting.
Yeah, they want to buy one of my birds for cockfighting. I said no. I love my birds.